Take out the wipes, tempered glass screen protector, and the case from the package. Pull the frame out of the back cover. Snap it on the phone. Then slide the phone into the back cover. Use the wet wipe to clean the screen. Use the dry wipe to remove moisture and any remaining residue. Peel off the inner backing. Align the screen protector with the phone screen and place it down. Tap the screen protector gently and wait for the automatic attachment. Jam your thumb into bottom corners to separate the back cover from the phone. Carefully pull out the frame.